just wanted to give you a little progress update. We have gotten the storage area in the back. Let me open this up for you guys. Put in, so you got about 18 inches going from here all the way in. Plenty of space top to bottom. We got the side window put in. It's looking good, looking good. Another thing we wanted to add was this front window. So what this actually allows you to is obviously see to the front of your trailer, but also from the inside, as you're sleeping here in your sleeping quarters, you can look up and see out at night and see the stars. Wow. What a bonus feature that nobody else that we've seen has yet. As well, nice big window. Your storage area does not conflict with any of your sleeping quarter space very much. You still got plenty of space here. Somebody can easily sleep under that with no problem and still be able to move around. We're just progressing here as we go, guys. Making things better, trying to do new stuff that we haven't seen out there before. If you guys have any suggestions, please let us know. This thing is coming together very nicely, so keep you guys updated.
Probably damage my Jeep first before it breaks.
Did you ever figure out why it lifted?
No, my shocks just went crazy. I don't know why.
Is it back to normal now, or is it good? Is it the same?
No, it's back to normal.
It's weird. So when we first tested the trailer,
Because you got a Tonka truck there.
Friday, the trailer
It's not built tough like my Jeep.
for some reason the coils expanded and his Jeep was lifted like 3 feet higher. And he couldn't even get into his Jeep normally how he usually does. So we had to wait for the shocks to compress back. What's going on, guys? This is Christian from Syndicate Off-Road. We're getting ready to do a free giveaway for you guys. Only thing you need to do is click the link below. Once you click the link below, we are going to send you a free Syndicate Off-Road decal you can put on any one of your rigs. Once you put that on your rig, send us a picture, whether it be email, Facebook, or Instagram DM. If you do that, you will get in return a free Syndicate t-shirt as well as an invitation to our 2020 event. We hope to see you guys out there. Thanks, guys.